Well, welcome back to the channel, and as you can see, this is pulled out of the garage. We are getting ready to sell this. If you remember this from previous videos, it was a junk find that we got absolutely for free, and today is the day that we are selling it. And we're selling it for a really good price because, you know, we love giving great deals to other people, but we also need to make room for another amazing find that's going to take its place.
Now, just like that, the trailer is gone. I got $1,000 in my pocket right there. Now, are you guys ready for the find of the month? Here's a clue. Check it out. What kind of vehicle do you think's behind this door? JoJo, should we show them or what?
Yes, let's show them right now. Now, if you haven't yet, make sure you leave a comment and let us know exactly what you think is behind this door. And take a moment right now, leave a comment down below and let us know, what is your coolest find that you ever found, or your coolest find of the month? Are you ready? Ta-da!
And it's electric. Oh my goodness, no exhaust. You see that?
I do see that. Don't you just love junk removal?
We got paid to take it. I can't believe it, JoJo. So you're probably thinking it's a Fiero Pontiac. It's clean, but it's nothing special. Well, you're wrong. So check this out. Now, are you guys ready for this or what? Wrong key. But anyways, check this out. It's just a Pontiac. It ain't nothing special. Oh, it's electric. Ha ha! Check out them damn batteries. JoJo, we ain't spending no more money on gas.
No, it's one of the things that makes this car super unique is that, you know, a person really took the time to research, and he just knew lots about electronics, and he converted this into a battery operated car. You plug it in and it goes.
So check it out. This thing is super clean too. Only has 70,000 miles on it. These batteries right here run around what, $250 each?
Yes.
And there's about 18 of them in there. And check out how clean the interior is. Look at this. This was that guy's baby. Check out the doors. It is super clean. It's like a Back to the Future vehicle, JoJo.
It is.
Now, this is the box, how he charged it up. I'm going to show you guys right now. See him plugging it in. You see all those lights going off right now? That's how you charge it up. And it plugs in over here, if you guys can see. Check this out. Right there.
Which would be known in Back to the Future as the flux capacitor.
This thing is badass, super sick. So leave a comment down below if you can see me and the JoJo rolling down the street in this thing on a Saturday night. What do you think, JoJo?
I love it. It really, really is amazing. When a person called and said they had a car that they needed us to take away, I had no idea that it would be a car in really good condition with, you know, battery operated capacity. Pretty cool. So
leave a comment down below what you guys think this vehicle is worth. I actually added myself on a bunch of Facebook groups for the Fiero Pontiac, and surprisingly, there's a bunch of guys out there that want these things. They'll pay anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 just for a body that is tore up, so you never ever know what something could be worth to someone else until you put it out there.
Yeah, we didn't know there was a market for something like this until, you know, we started researching it and looking it up. And there is. So if you had this, leave a comment. What would you do with it? What would be some of your ideas? How could we make the most money out of this? So here's some options that we're thinking. You could take the batteries out. This car has lots of batteries. It has 24 in the car and 2 extra in the back. And you know, if you look online, those batteries are are expensive. So you know, we could make quite a bit of money selling the batteries. You can piece the parts and put them online and sell them that way. Or we could sell the body as is. The body's really nice. It's in really great condition and everything's stock. Everything's stock. The seats, the tires, everything. So, you know, when we think about it, there's quite a bit of money to be made with this car right here that we got for free. Actually, somebody paid us to take it. So, like, junk removal is amazing.
It's the best damn business in the whole entire world. And if you think not, I'll slap you, your mama, your cat, and your dog. Check that bad boy out. JoJo, we done came up on this one. And keep in mind, some people make a replica of Ferraris out of it. Check this one out right here. Me and the JoJo are not that chancy, so we're not gonna do that, but it's pretty damn cool. The junk find of the month. And January just started. What is today? January 12th?
January 12th.
We sold the trailer for $1,000.
Yep.
We got this bad boy and got paid for it. And they delivered it.
They did. They delivered it. It makes no noise when it drives.
And it gets on it too. Super fast. So check this out, guys. This is us pulling out of the guy's house when we looked at it yesterday. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited about this Fiero electric vehicle. Now, subscribers, let me ask you a question. What vehicle would you rather have? This bad boy that wastes no gas or the Mustang? Leave it in the comments down below and let me know.
So there you have it. That is our junk find of the month, and that is a pretty awesome junk find, if you ask me. So stay posted because we will let you know exactly what we end up doing with this. I know we're gonna make money with it. How? I still don't know, but we will definitely keep you posted and let you know what we end up doing with it. And make sure you leave a comment down below. Once again, let us know what your greatest finds are. Check out our other videos, check out our membership, and we'll see you on the next one.